Could this tiny silver box really be the 1 amp and DAC to rule them all, especially for under $200? Schiit just dropped something that might make you rethink your entire desktop audio setup. This is the Schiit Magni Unity, and it's not just another headphone amp. It's a complete desktop audio solution packed into a surprisingly compact form factor. Right off the bat, what truly sets the Magni Unity apart is its brand new, superlinear, high-precision current feedback topology. Now, that's a mouthful, but what it means for you is a significant performance boost. We're talking a full 10 dB improvement over previous discrete Magnis. That's genuinely impressive and translates directly into cleaner, more dynamic sound. But Schiit didn't stop there. This is also their first modular Magni, featuring an internal integrated USB DAC that you can actually update later. That's a smart move, ensuring your investment stays relevant as technology evolves. Plug in via USB-C, and you're ready for ultimate streaming quality, bypassing your computer's often mediocre sound card. Power. Oh, it's got power. With 2.5 watts on tap from its standard single-ended output jack, the Magni Unity is ready to drive pretty much any headphone you throw at it, from demanding planars to high-impedance dynamics. And for those with super-sensitive IEMs, you'll appreciate the 3 gain levels, including a negative gain setting, which is a thoughtful touch to prevent hiss and ensure a perfect match. This isn't just for headphones either. Connect the preamp outputs to your powered monitors or a mini speaker amp, and you've got a fantastic hub for both headphone and speaker listening. It's a true desktop command center. And let's talk about peace of mind. Schiit backs this up with a 3-year warranty, not just 1 or 2. They've been in business for over 13 years, built millions of products, and stand behind what they make. Plus, it's designed and built right in Texas, USA. Just remember, it's 115 VAC only, so it's perfect for North America. The Schiit Magni Unity isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. It's a powerful, versatile, and future-ready desktop audio hub that truly delivers on its promises, making it an absolute powerhouse for its price.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.